In the making of angled cabinets to fit under a slanted ceiling, we access the ends and corners category of the cabinet editor and then place the values we require to raise the ends in the appropriate fields under the heading Extend Top. Notice I have placed 2 inches to extend the left unfinished end above the cabinet and 6 inches to extend the right unfinished end above the cabinet, so that our cabinet now has its 2 ends raised. I have purposely painted the top another color in order to easily distinguish it from the other parts of the cabinet. If I place a check in each of these 2 boxes, I am telling Cabinet Pro to connect the left and right unfinished ends. Now the left and right unfinished ends will be connected by the top, the back, and the front cover. Notice the top is now elongated and angled to connect the 2 unfinished ends. In addition, there is now a front cover that is also angled to cover the front area that has been extended. Finally, the cabinet's back has been extended to cover the rear area that has been extended. If we do not want the cabinet top to be angled and modified, then we place a check in the box titled Leave the Cabinet Top Unaltered. Now you will see that the cabinet top is being constructed horizontally and as it normally would be if this was a rectangular cabinet. In like manner, if we do not want to extend the back, we can place a check in the box titled Leave the Cabinet Back Unaltered. And now our back is being made as it normally would without being altered to fit our extended ends. Whether we have finished ends, unfinished ends, or both, we select a left end and a right end to connect from whichever options are available.